Shiba Inu could be exploding very soon. Here's why. Make sure to watch the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu Coin analysis. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, hit our link down in the description below. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying and investing in not only the stock markets, but now the crypto markets as well. They've recently added a bunch of new cryptocurrency coins, and they've just recently added Shiba Inu to their platform as well. So if you guys want to hop on their platform and get started with some trading, you guys can hit the link down in the description below. It's a great app, and we personally use it too. And you guys can follow us on there and see what we're buying and investing in. Also too, if you guys want to let us know down in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding, we would be incredibly appreciative if you did that. Let us know, because we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu army is, especially on days like today, guys, where we're seeing a little bit of a dump. It's always important to see how strong the community is and see how well everybody is still holding their coins. Let us know down in the comments below how many coins you guys are holding, and we will see just how strong the Shiba Inu army is. But either way, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, Shiba Inu, we're at the 7016 level, down just about 5%, unfortunately, over the last 24 hours, guys. Again, a lot of people are getting a little bit nervous here, getting a little bit worried. Okay, like, you know, are we starting to see a further downtrend in Shiba Inu? And the good news is no, right? So if we actually look at TradingView here, just some technical analysis overall. Again, I drew the resistance lines out in the previous video that we released today. Again, you guys can check that out later, but either way, the resistance lines are still kind of holding very nicely. We haven't dipped very far below really any previous low or high. Again, we are still holding in these areas quite nicely, and I'm not too worried about it either way, as long as we can continue to consolidate in these types of levels and continue to flatten out at these levels. Again, if you look back here, this was the last consolidation phase that we went into after our first original pump, which was very stable for the majority of those days, and I really wasn't worried about it. And then of course it exploded back up to the upside. So either way, guys, gonna be looking at this very closely, and I'm not worried about it, right? I'm not really worried. I'm not bearish. I'm, if anything, more bullish than ever, and we're gonna be watching this very closely. Let's talk everything related to Shiba Inu though. So as you can see, the circulating supply down here, right? If you look in the right corner here where my mouse is, they have still not fixed it, right? CoinMarketCap has still not fixed the overall circulating supply, which in my opinion was one of the reasons why we dropped off of that huge rally that we were looking at. A lot of people got kind of nervous. A lot of people got unsure, of the coin, because all of a sudden when circulating supply increases, that technically would mean, if you're looking at it from a fundamental standpoint, that the tokens are going to lose value, because the more of something there is in the market, the less valuable it is. Basic supply and demand. That's why burns are so useful in creating value in tokenomics, right? The more something is burned off, right? The more tokens that are removed from circulation in the market, the more likely, or pretty much guaranteed, I guess at that point, the value of the token will slowly go up over time. That's why burns are so important. I believe about 41% of the overall Shiba Inu supply has been burnt already, which is actually quite a bit if you really think about it. And if anything, the longer this coin exists, the more likely we are to get to those higher price points, which I think is just in general, a very, very interesting concept. And it's something that I'm really looking forward to the future as well. So let's talk news though. So we have Shytoshi with a few pieces of news today, just talking on his Twitter profile, or on his homepage or timeline, I guess you should say. And then we also have a news article that we're going to get into that was retweeted by Shytoshi about Shiba Inu, which I think is very interesting as well. First of all, Crypto.com, Shib Army, should we add Shib as a payment option on Crypto.com Pay? And then as you can see, let's vote. Should we do woof yes? I'm not going to do no. Yes or woof yes? I don't know. What should I do here? Let's do woof yes. Either way, all right, so we were unfortunately lower here, but everyone seems to say yes on that. Very excited about that indeed. Now, let's talk about this article here. We can get into the rest of his kind of retweets and stuff, just kind of some funny memes and just different stuff here. Coinbase also is now touting Shib in their ad, or not advertisement, but the subtext of their app store listing, which I think is actually a really good piece of news overall. But let's hop into this. A message for the past, present, and future. Nice little Shiba Inu dog with a samurai costume on. Anyway, so a huge success with new FUD. Recently, Shib broke the previous all-time high and reached to a new all-time high when most of the market cap was red going down. And the other tokens of the ecosystem, Leash and Bone, have been growing too until now. They did not reach all-time highs yet. When Shiba Inu can surprise us at any moment, just like what it did with Shib. Shib token, the Doge killer, flipped that meme Dogecoin until now too, which has an unlimited supply, and flipped other projects like XRP that made Shib market cap reach rank 7 for a while. Since everything goes up when it is is something normal to see a correction that makes it go down. However, that does not mean it will not go back to a higher level. Moreover, a sudden weird coincidence happened when Shib flipped the others. CoinMarketCap, that is owned by the centralized exchange Binance, did change the current circulating supply of Shib to a wrong data. That's not really right grammar, but either way, CoinGecko did the same. CMC and CG data are used in multiple famous centralized exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase and many others more than resulted with, wow, guys, the article today is just written very weirdly and I'm not doing a great job of reading it either, so very sorry for that and ahead. Created a huge FUD that made people sell when they have started calling the project a scam because they saw suddenly the current circulating supply of Shib increased according to the data of the CMC and CG, which are wrong. So here's the CoinMarketCap details, right? And that's what we were talking about at the beginning of the video, guys. The circulating supply is still not fixed, right? This should be around the 340, billion level, or it might be trillion actually. I can't remember exactly. You guys can roast me down in the comments below. Either way, you guys always do, anyways. But either way, my point here is exactly that: is the fact that they have not fixed it yet. And as you can see here, we have this overall DM with CoinMarketCap talking about, hey there, thanks for bringing this to our attention. This appears to be a bug caused by our engineering team's migration to a new infrastructure. We have forwarded the issue to our engineers to investigate. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience this has caused you, and we do appreciate your patience while we work on this issue. So, we even have another DM too here. Hello, I would like to ask about the Shib circulating supply. It seems like it's incorrect. I would like to know what the correct supply should be. Hi there, thanks for bringing this to our attention. Our team has advised that they have already fixed this. Really? Interesting stuff indeed. Suddenly they said to multiple people that they still did not fix it though, which is just weird. Like I said in the beginning of this video, guys, this is not the correct circulating supply. And that is the reason, or one of the big reasons, I think, in my opinion, why we're continuing to go down. Also too, guys, just overall socially, this coin is starting to lose a little bit of momentum. And to keep that going, really, at the end of the day, what people really need to remember and realize is that any kind of conversation that happens on social media about this coin, any kind of people talking about it, touting it, whatever it might be, continues the price action and hopefully an upward direction. And again, that is important. It's important for this coin to be talked about on Twitter, on TikTok, on Instagram, on any other platform, because it keeps it fresh in people's minds. It keeps it always kind of out there on the forefront of information that's coming out, and it keeps people aware and relevant of what is going on, guys. So again, even if you just talk about this coin on the internet, and let alone invest in it, it keeps it up. Now we are seeing a little bit of a dump here as we're watching this, but guys, again, as long as it does not break below those resistance levels, especially the one right here around the like 5.5 to 5.4 level, again, I'm not going to be super worried. If it does break down, we'll make a video and update you guys on everything, all the new information. But again, I don't think that's going to happen. So obviously we'll just keep making videos as usual about news, topics, catalysts, and anything in between. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys, so you don't miss those. But either way, guys, that's pretty much it today for this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, hit our link down in the description below. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying, selling, and talking about in both the stock and crypto markets. They also recently added Shiba Inu to their roster of tradable tokens. So if you guys want to hop on there, get a free stock with our link, and start trading Shiba Inu at the same time, you guys can go ahead and do that. It's a great win-win for the both of us, and we personally use the brokerage ourselves, and you guys can follow us on there as well. Either way, guys, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe. But other than that, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.